Hello, this is Galen Lamel Brown doing homework Excel number 6 on how to do fusion tables. So, is it on? Yeah, is it on? Okay, yeah, it's on. So, I already took the data from the Excel from the Google Sheets and cut it down so that's only 200 cells. From there, you use the concatenate function, which is pretty easy to find. And now all I have to do is pick the different cells that I want to use. So I want to use A2, um, B2, C2, D2, and E2. And then when I hit enter, it gives me the address, but there are a bunch of it's a bunch of numbers that have no space in them. So the easiest thing to do is just to go back up to the function and put in spaces. So all I'm doing is doing quote, space, quote, comma between all of them. Quote, comma. And there we go. There you have it. So from there, I want to apply this to all of the cells. So what I do is I just drag it down with the black cross, and then as you can see, it's already put in all of the street numbers as well as the states and the zip codes, and they all have the right amount of spaces. From there, what I'm gonna do is let's see if I can make this um, into a different uh, thing altogether. I want it to be a new book. So basically all I'm doing right now is just copying it, and you can see it here. And now I'm just going to save as, and I guess I'll call it Fusion Table Homework. I'll save it to my desktop. From there, I can go to Google Chrome, and I've already downloaded Google Fusion Tables to use, and I can choose the file. Please excuse how slow my computer is. And just looking for Fusion Table Homework, and click Open. And we can click Next. So obviously I want to keep the column names are in row 1 just so Google understands that those are the ones that I want to work with, and then I can click Next. And yeah, I mean, obviously I could put in a description, but I'm not going to. From there, it seems that it has already chosen city as the one it thinks that we want to work with, but obviously that's not the case. What we want to do is click change, and this is location, format, or none. Then we want to click save. Actually, I want to go over here, click change, and I want to highlight untyped cells. And then click save. Wait, so something isn't going right here. I should be able to, oh, this is the location. And then highlight untyped cells. That should work. Yep, perfect. And then I can just change this back to text and then click save. Okay, so now the full address is highlighted, and the um, not the city. So from here, I can go to map of city, and right now it's geocoding all of the highlighted cells, so it should take a minute. I would just like to add that it was very fun spending time with Mr. Sistrunk this weekend at the symposium. I really enjoyed his presentation on, obviously things that we have learned in class but are still, detrimental to business. If he would like to slide any extra points my way, that would be fantastic. This one goes out to you, Sistrunk, so, just make sure you remember me when you post in those grades. Still geocoding. Also, it's important to note that down here you can see the quality and how many, like what percent is ambiguous. Currently, none of them are ambiguous. I'm expecting maybe one or two based on the different types of data. I remember when we did it in class, there were about one or two that are ambiguous, but we shall see. Looks like it's almost done. Okay, so it says everything is geocoded. As you can see, there are different dots for all of the points that we have. So from here, I can actually change the feature styles. And when I change the feature styles, the first thing I'm going to do is look at buckets. I'm going to divide it into, let's say, 4 buckets. So we have up to 25,000, 50,000, 75,000, 100,000. That's the way that I'll do it. And then we'll go for sales price. Or yeah, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. So, this is interesting. They're all still the same color. So let me just zoom out. Yeah, it looks like they're still the same color. So what I'm going to do is going to go change back to feature styles. Use this. Okay, let's see what this does. Hmm. So what we can do is to 25. Let's say 4. There we go. So 0. Then we click save. Now you see the different colors, the different buckets that are in it. You can see the purple, the green, the red, as well as there should be some yellows. Um, Another cool thing that we can do is we can actually also uh, give a legend as well. So I'll just do an automatic legend, show marker legend for sales price, and we'll put it in the bottom right. So you can actually see in the bottom right corner that there is a legend for sales price as well. So that it makes a little bit more sense if somebody's looking at it. They have a better idea of what's going on. This concludes my Fusion Table Excel homework number 6. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at glamelbrown@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.